Hello guys, how to create this nice illustration for your favorite character. So let's start. I'm gonna do it by circles because Nintales has lots of curves, as you can see here. So let's put a black stroke, and with the direct selection tool let's create this part here. Make it a bit more curvy. And this is fine. Make it a bit smaller, holding shift, and then select it, Control C, then Control Shift V to paste in place, and then get the rotation tool and place it here so it rotates from this point, and just slide it a little bit, and then the same thing 3 more times. And that's the upper part. So for the bottom part, these 4 tails, let's get a circle and draw a circle, and then with the direct selection tool, make it a bit smaller from here, and here, and then select it, and then copy and Control Shift V to paste in place, and just make it a bit smaller, and again, and again, and one last time. Okay, and now the hair. Let's do the hair. Create a circle, and then hold Alt to make 2 cursors and just copy while dragging, and then do it again and again, and try to make them intersect at one point, at least visually, and try to make them at least visually equally looking. Okay, so that's fine. So select everything here and go to the shape builder tool, and with the minus sign hold Alt and delete those, and with the plus sign add this and this and this. Okay, and now select this and get the shape builder tool again and zoom in, and with the minus sign hold Alt, remove this one, and with the plus sign without pressing Alt, add this and this and this and these and these. Okay, and now with the last one, the same thing, shape builder tool, add those and those and those and those, and zoom in for the small ones, add this and this and this. Okay, so now let's continue to the next step. Now you can see everything is cut. Okay, so now we have to kind of put them in a nice position. Place this one here, and these put it here. Maybe raise those a little bit. And this looks fine. Okay, so now let's draw the face of the dog. I'm gonna just draw it a bit rough. And now off to the next step. So we have to make some like spaces in between everything. So we just click here and go to Object, Path, Offset Path, and put it on 10 pixels and 12 meter limit. Okay, then shift this one and go to Window, Pathfinder, and minus. You can see here, now there's some space. So we do it for everything. Minus, and then the second one, Object, Path, Offset, and then OK, shift the third hair, minus. So now we have this. Let's select those and arrange, bring it to front, and this looks fine. So now we have to select everything and get the shape builder tool and zoom in. You have to put here plus, and here you put the minus, and plus, and minus, and plus. Okay, now try to remove the excess, like this thing here. Just select everything, Control Shift G multiple times, and now press on it and delete. So now press on this one here and go to Object, Path, offset path, okay, and press on this one here, shift and minus, and then press on the dog, object, path, offset path, okay, and shift this one here, minus. And again with the dog, object, path, offset path, okay, and shift this one, and minus. Okay, so now if you want to clean this part, just get the pen tool, zoom in, and create a line like this, and like this, and then create a shape. First you have to select this part and Ctrl+Shift+G to ungroup it, and select this shape and minus, and you would see it's cleaner. They're not overlapping anymore. And now you have to also make spaces on this area. So press on this shape and object, path, offset path, okay. Shift this shape and minus. And let's do it on all the other 4, and even here when you offset path this shape. So let's do it fast. Okay, when you're done, now you just need to color, select everything and get the bucket tool and press once, and now you can color it. So get the eyedropper and select the red and zoom in and color the eye, and then the eyedropper again, get this color and color the hair and the dog, and the last color everything else. And now you can just select it and copy and go to Photoshop. This is my previous file. I went to Photoshop and I pasted it and I put it on screen, and here you go.